Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a banner image slider with text and buttons in Squarespace. To begin, open your site's dashboard. From here, head into the website area so you can work on your site structure. Next, go into your pages. Choose the page where you want your banner slider to appear. This is often your home page or a key landing page. Then enter editing mode so you can make live changes to that page. Once the page is open for editing, add a new section. You'll see a library of section types and categories. Scroll through the options until you find the category labeled Made with Classic Editor. This category includes layouts that are proven, flexible, and easy to customize for banners and carousels. Inside that category, keep scrolling until you see the layout called People, then select it. This layout is a great starting point for a banner image slider because it's designed for multiple panels with images, overlaid text, and buttons. Exactly what you need for a rotating hero section that combines visuals with clear calls to action. With the section placed on your page, open the content editor for this new section. In the content area, you can adjust the details. Replace the default images with your own, update the headings and descriptions, and set the button labels and destinations. Use high quality, wide images so your slider looks crisp across devices. Aim for images that share a consistent style or color palette, and make sure your subject is centered or positioned thoughtfully to avoid important elements being cropped on different screen sizes. When writing text for each slide, keep your headline short and focused. Think one strong message per slide. Use the description to add a brief supporting line that highlights value or context. For the buttons, choose action-oriented labels like Learn More, Shop Now, or Get Started, and link each button to the most relevant page. Clear, purposeful labels will improve click-throughs and help visitors move forward confidently. As you customize, preview the section within the editor to ensure the text is readable over your images. If your photos are bright or busy, consider choosing darker imagery or adding images with natural contrast so the overlay text stands out. Consistency matters. Try to keep a similar rhythm across slides with comparable text links and button styles so the slider feels cohesive. That's it. You've added the section, selected the right layout, and edited the content to create a polished banner image slider with text and buttons. Take a final look across desktop and mobile breakpoints to confirm everything aligns nicely, and you're ready to publish with confidence.